You have an issue. I think we need to hold some sort of intervention for you.
Oh, I almost fell out!
Oh, did you? This really does just turn on the axis. Look at that. Can you clearly see the difference in size? Yeah. Hello, welcome to Car Throttle. My name is Alex, and thanks to our friends at Hot Wheels who are sponsoring this episode, we're going to be transforming our 100-pound MR2 into a Mad Max style MR2 of madness after you guys told us to go wild in the comments of our recent Instagram post. Right, so this two-part series is obviously going to be a massive undertaking, so I'm going to need some friends. But they were busy, so Jack is going to join me, and Bruno from BDS Motorsport is going to be doing the majority of the work. We've got 2 weeks and a good budget to carry out everything that you wanted to do. We'll talk you through that in a sec. But Bruno, how excited are you to have a Toyota MR2 for £100 in your mainly BMW workshop?
I think it's great.
Yeah?
I'm excited for it. Something new.
Perfect. So we're going to do exoskeleton. We're going to go all out. Jack, thoughts?
I'm nervous you being on the tools.
Okay.
So then, the plan for our £100 MR2 is to give it Hot Wheels flavour with a bit of Mad Max madness. That means stripping all panels except for the bonnet and engine cover, painting the chassis with Raptor bedliner paint, building an exoskeleton, adding underbody bracing, fabricating a custom exhaust and snorkel, and fitting bucket seats, harnesses and wheels and tyres so big, we're not even sure if the MR2's engine will get them spinning. We'll no doubt add a few other bits along the way, so let's see where this build takes us.
First of all, we have to strip all the panels out of it. So, wait.
Give me that.
Alex, we're going to do it on a sensible way this time.
No, yeah. Give me that. Give me that.
Right. There's some parts you can use this.
Yeah? Okay. Yeah. The windscreen?
I'm going to start looking for points to start fixing the exoskeleton.
I've just had a thought.
Yeah.
We're stripping the car.
Yeah.
It's going to be really light.
Yeah.
We need to go for a little drive. So we're going to have bucket seat, we're going to have nice big like off-road tyres, Raptor paint it, basically everything that you guys wanted to see we're going to do, because this car was £100. It's effectively a write-off,
yeah.
So it doesn't matter. So long as it moves a little bit.
In a strange way.
Saving
yeah.
the car.
Yeah, exactly.
Because the car was going to go to a scrapyard and being breaking for parts.
Yeah, it'll be road legal, MOT'd as well.
Yeah,
Yeah, I've got a guy who does what? Shall we just start breaking stuff?
Crack on.
Yeah.
Not breaking stuff, start taking stuff out.
Okay. I'm going to need that. Shall we start with the doors?
Yeah.
I'm going to start with
Or do you want to start at the front and work our way back? Yeah.
2 on the front and 1 in the back. That's what. Doors.
We don't want that.
As I mentioned earlier, this mini-series is to celebrate the Hot Wheels Legends Tour that's back in the UK for 2021, with an all-new search for a custom vehicle worthy of becoming a Hot Wheels die-cast car. To enter, all you have to do is shoot a quick walk-around video, fill in the entry form and hit submit. For more information, hit the link in the description below.
It's Japanese, built in Japan. You can tell by the chassis, first 2 letters are JT, means it's a Toyota built in Japan. Then the British ones have actually a different 2 first letters, which I don't remember which ones they are, but I know about this. That's all I know about Toyota.
Right, thanks Bruno. Now it's time to strip the car, starting with a bonnet that will be modified and put back later.
Look, Lambo doors!
Oh my god, I just seen the box different on the
Lambo doors. Cool. I'm bored now.
You got all your loom connected still, though?
Yeah, but you just walk that through. We don't need any of the electrics, do we?
It'd be nice.
Would it?
Not to ruin them, wouldn't it?
Why?
Are the doors completely going for good?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. In that case, yeah, let's just cut it.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Jack. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Look, I feel like Aquaman.
Do you mean Captain America?
Yeah.
That was the alarm. That was the alarm plug. People might steal it now.
Careful. Careful. Oh my god. You're complaining about me doing that tiny little bit of
But
damage.
the bumper is coming off, and we're not using bumpers, are we?
Well, apparently not.
With the second door removed, our attention turns to the wings and headlights.
Alright, well there you go. Be my guest.
No,
No, go on, no, I'm taking too long.
I was asking.
No, come on.
Well, I mean, you were just stood there looking at it.
Well, no, please show me how to do it.
Was this so difficult, Jack? Was that so difficult?
We had to cut that because he actually spent 20 minutes trying to get those plugs on there.
Did I say this before? But I think this car was involved in an accident.
You've said it, yes, yeah.
You said it multiple times, and we've also told you multiple times it's been involved
So,
in an
has it been involved in an accident?
No,
It looks
never.
like
No.
That's it, mate.
Cheers, mate. Look at this. Come close. Oh, that is just dust. Look at that.
I'm sure Bruno wants that all over his floor.
Lucky for him, it is all over his floor. Right, luggage compartment.
Yeah.
I'm thinking whatever's in there we just need to take out. Jesus, someone's put an engine in there.
With the engine cover now off, I then delicately remove the wiring for the light.
I bet this from Toyota is going to cost around 400 quid.
Yeah? Does anyone want a free rear bumper collection from BDS Motorsport? Do you know what I should do? I should, instead of loosening, I'm going to tighten it to get it loose.
But what if
One.
Bruno wants to use that hole later on?
It's done. How does this make you feel?
There's something quite nice, the big release, the pop of them.
Yeah.
You have an issue. I think we need to hold some sort of intervention for you.
Without breaking anything.
Nice.
I think this has been on a crash before.
What are you going to do if we decide they're actually going on? F***ing idiot.
On the other side of the car, Bruno turns his attention to the bent rear hub after deciding, for the 20th time, that this car has been in some sort of crash in its previous life. Meanwhile, Jack thought it would be a good idea to reenact his birth. Enjoy.
If anyone would like perfectly good MR2 soft top, not rotten,
Yeah.
no leaks.
No. I mean, it's all. I mean, all the material is.
It's pretty sound, isn't it? the
solid,
material,
yeah. We'll just take it off you, and we'll post it.
Yeah, bit by bit. Legit, look what I found in here.
What is it? Is it like an MR2 Owners Club hat?
What is it?
Highlander beret cap.
Put it on.
You must be joking me, aren't you?
Put it on. Put it on. Put it on. Go on, Jack. Go
Do I
on.
succumb to peer pressure?
Yes, of course you do. Oh my god.
Oh, I can't believe you've actually done
Oh wow, what a bottle job.
Anyway, after a couple of hours, the car is stripped, leaving us with one important question. What's it like to drive?
Can I do my window?
Oh yeah, so close your door. PC, but anyway, this is the fruits of 2 hours labour. And before you say, oh, you're driving on road, yes, it is a road, but it is a private road on a farm, so we're all good. The engine isn't warmed up, so... The tyres on this are absolutely shagged as well. First gear, second gear. The clutch on this is amazing, I forgot about that.
Yeah, we did take that out.
Look how... it just come alive. Oh, he did very fast.
It's not bad already.
Right,
Do not put it on the
watch
back.
this, watch this.
Whoa! Don't beat it.
Wait,
don't beat
wait,
it.
wait. Yeah! Oh, but this is great. We've done some cool stuff over the years, but this is definitely up there.
You just love stripping cars, don't
I
you?
do, I
That's
do.
your favourite thing.
Oh, wait, okay. A bit of an issue there, the sticking throttle,
Okay.
so we might need to...
Wait.
guys. Oh, handbrake.
Oh, handbrake doesn't work.
Doesn't.
Oh,
I think I might just bail.
okay.
I'm out. I'm out. Shall we see how good this is off-road?
Okay, this seems like a bad idea.
Look, it's just so light. It's so much...
It just hops on the grass,
yeah,
doesn't it?
Ooh, it's like a chimney. Oh my God.
I almost fell out.
Oh, did you? This really does just turn on the axis. Look at that.
Oh, it smells hot.
It does smell a little bit warm, doesn't it? But look, you can take all of this at speed, and it's just fine. It's just
Just
loves,
eats it up.
It just loves it.
Just gobbling it up.
Nom 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 nom. And there we go. And we're out. What a machine. Right then, so we've spent a day stripping our £100 MR2, and as you can see, it looks glorious. Our Hot Wheels build is well underway. I may have just broken the radiator a little bit more, so we're going to need to add that to the list as well. Thoughts, Jack?
It's excellent. It's so good already.
It is.
Yeah. So
Can we improve on this?
I don't know if you can.
Yeah.
So Bruno and Alex have gone off to pick up the wheels, tyres and the tubing to make the exoskeleton. Are we calling it an exoskeleton? Sexoskeleton. So while they're off doing that, I am just sanding down all the paint on the car. All right, let's get it.
Right, Jack, I'm back. Close your eyes. I've got tyres for you. Okay.
Oh no!
There you go.
What have we done?
Yeah, they're big, aren't they?
Oh my God.
Look at the size of them as well. 33 by 12.5. I don't even know what that means.
Does this have the power to spin these?
Yeah. Yeah. So a little bit of context for you, ladies and gentlemen. Normal 15, hour 15. Can you clearly see the difference in size? Yeah. You sure? Okay, how about like that? Can you clearly see the
Oh my word.
difference there? This is what you wanted on Instagram, so you're welcome.
Which one of you did this?
Okay, so we're going to do some bonnet vent scoop. It's going to be like one of those that just goes under to push the air in. With the immense speed the car is going to be able to do, it really needs some extra cooling. So we think it's going to look very cool. We're going to put some mesh on it as well, so hopefully it will look nice.
With the sanding done, we turned our attention to chassis bracing to ensure the MR2 wouldn't fold in half after being sent with full commitment.
So the LMR chassis bracing is now in and the MR2 will be super stable, super rock solid. Now what we're going to do is to put our bucket seats in, offer them up and then bolt them in place.
Over the course of the next few days, we left Bruno to spray the car with Raptor bedliner paint to not only give the MR2 rugged looks, but to also hopefully help keep the car in one piece.
Right, so you join us a few days later. Bruno's been very busy, as you will have just seen. I just wanted to give you kind of an update of the state of the Hot Wheels MR2. So, Bruno, talk us through quickly. I can see we've got the new radiator installed, and visually, the most obvious thing is the Raptor paint is now on the MR2, which I think looks awesome. We've got one bucket seat that you've installed. Both rails are in, so the seats actually move forwards and backwards. At the rear, lights have been kind of loosely installed.
We now have to finish the exhaust, the intake, which I'm going to be mounting it on the outside of the car on a higher point, near the exoskeleton somewhere. Exhaust also coming on the same scene.
We've got the new steering wheel, and Jack, if you go around that side, banded steely with tyres that are massive, but they're nice and lightweight though. So light, which is good because this car doesn't have much torque. Is this actually going to be able to move these wheels, Bruno?
Oh, I think so, yeah.
So that's the position we find ourselves in now. The car is starting to slowly be transformed.
Before we go, a quick reminder that the Legends Tour is back in the UK for 2021, with an all-new search for a custom vehicle worthy of becoming a Hot Wheels diecast car. To enter, all you need to do is shoot a quick walk-around video, fill in the entry form, and hit submit.
If you're enjoying this transformation, then make sure you join us next time, because not only are we going to finish the car, but we're also going to be testing it as well, putting your fabrication skills really to the test. So make sure you join us for that by subscribing to the channel here, watching more videos down there, and don't forget to check out Hot Wheels in the link in the description below. Right, we've got a lot of work to do. Let's crack on.
Yep.